Exercise 3.5, question number 4 and Roman number 4. Places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. That means there are two places A and B on a highway, and the distance between the places A and B are 100 kilometers. And the cars places at A and B are starts at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. That means, in that case, if the cars travel in the same direction, that means both have the same direction, then they will meet together in 5 hours. Second case, if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. That means, if in that case the direction of both cars are different, that means they are traveling to each other, traveling in the direction to each other, then they will meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? So we need to find out the speeds of the two cars. Okay. So here we have two cases. So now we have taken the first case, and obviously speed of one of the car must be greater than the another one. So we have taken x is greater than y. Suppose x, that means the speed of the first car. Here I have taken the first car, second car, place A, place B, and the distance between place A and B 100 km. And here for the first case, the speed of the first car I have taken x km/h, and for the car placed at B is y km/h. Now obviously I have taken here the speed of the first car, that means x is greater than the speed of the second car, that means placed at B, y km, that means x is greater than y. And if there's three cases actually, if suppose both have the same speed and they are traveling same direction, then they will never meet each other, and always the distance between them will be 100 km only. Second case, if the speed of the first car is less than speed of the second car, then in that case they will never meet each other, because of the speed of the second car is more than the speed of the first car, then it will go faster than this one. So in distance between them will be increasing. Now the third case, if the speed of the first car is greater than the speed of the second car, then the first car will travel faster than second car. Then, and at the same time, while the car is moving with speed x km/h, the same time the second car will also travel in the same direction with the speed of y km/h. But here the speed of the first car is greater than the speed of the second car. So for that case only, then the distance between them is 100 km here. So the extra speed of this car will cover 100 km. Then only first car will meet with the second car. That means we need to find out the extra speed. So here the extra speed is x minus y, that means x is greater than y, the difference between the speeds of two cars, and the difference speed, that means x minus y by the speed, this speed will cover 100 km by the first car. Okay, Now for the second case, come to the second case. In second case, both cars placed at A and B, they are traveling the opposite direction. That means X is the cars placed at A is traveling in this direction, and second car placed at B is traveling in this direction. That means both have the different direction, you can see, and distance between them is 100 km only. Now in that case, if they start at the same time, then both are covering the distance from that side. First the car placed at A are traveling in this direction and B also traveling in the distance, then both are covering the distance 100 km. Then the resultant speed of the cars will be x plus y, because of this car also covering the distance, this car also covering the distance, and both are together covering the distance 100 km. So that's why the resultant speed will be x plus y. Now come on this. So solution: let the speed of the cars placed at A and B be x km per hour and y km per hour respectively. Here x is greater than y. When the cars travel in the same direction, that means the first case, when they are traveling in the same direction, then distance between them 100 km we know. Resultant speed, that means because of they are traveling in the same direction, then the resultant speed will be the difference between the speeds of the first car and second car. That means x minus y km per hour. Because of x greater than y, that's why x minus y km per hour. And time taken by the cars to meet each other, 5 hours. And we know speed is equal to distance by time. So here speed is equal to x minus y and distance 100 km and time taken 5 hours. So if we cancel, then it will be 20. So this implies x minus y equal to 20. So this is question number 1. Now for the second case, when the cars travel in different direction, that means opposite direction, distance between them 100 km is same. Resultant speed x plus y, here x plus y, because of their together they are covering 100 km. So speed will be here, we have to add. So x plus y km per hour. The time taken 1 hour. Speed, distance by time we know. So x plus y equal to 100 by 1. This implies x plus y equal to 100. This is equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2 are intersecting because a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. You can see because of here x minus y and here x plus y. So a1 by a2 will be 1 and b1 by b2 will be minus 1. So both are not equal. So that's why they are intersecting, or you can say as only one solution. So we can add this 2. So if we add this 2, that means by elimination method, if you want to solve, then y will be cancelled. So here will be 2x and that side will be 100 and 100 plus 20, so 120. So x will be 60. That means the value of x equal to 60. That means the speed of the first car will be 60 km per hour. Now put x equal to 60 in equation 2. You can put anyone in any equation. So we get x plus equal to 100 we know. So 60 plus y equal to 100. So y equal to 100 minus 60. So y equal to 40. Hence the speed of the cars are 60 km per hour and 40 km per hour. That means the speed of the first car will be 60 km per hour and the speed of the second car will be 40 km per hour.